Hello everyone, today we will write a program for sort an array. Sorting an array is just like arranging elements into a specific order. So let's get started. So this is our by default structure, and the first thing we will do is we will declare an integer array. Int array and name it as numbers. And now then we will initialize it with some numbers like values we need to put inside the braces. Yeah, this is one more number 7. Yeah, that is fine. Semicolon. And now we will print original array. So for that we will print that array in console. So we just need to write console.writeLine. Inside we will write original array is plus string.join, then quotes, put some space between those quotes, and array name. So here we are doing just one thing, like converting an array into a single string and separate it with some space. So this is how we are displaying our original array. Now we will use the method sort of an array. And after that we will print the sorted array in the similar way we have already mentioned this original array. Yeah. So just write sorted array is plus string dot join double quotes with some space and then number. That's it. Now save this. This is done. Now we just need to execute it. So see, original array is this, which is not sorted, and the second line sorted array is sorted in an ascending order. By default it comes in the ascending order format. So if you guys want to print the array in descending order, sorted descending order array, then please let me know. If you want to know that, then I will provide another video for that descending order sorted array. So these are the all 4 lines. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.